Yo! Oh shit, let me fix myself. Looking good, looking good. We can never forget the cologne. Well, today I was in Walmart and I was buying my yogurt. And out of nowhere, like, I saw this popcorn at the aisle with this unique bag, and I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna give it a try, why not? I mean, it's not like I'm gonna eat the bag, but it looked good, so I guess the advertisement worked for them, or whatever the fuck. So it. He said it's salty and sweet, so that's the only thing I didn't like. I really don't like sweet popcorn, but I'm about to find out how they look. I mean, how they taste. There's like an opening right here. 150 calories per portion. It's 4 portions in the bag. For the ones that care. I don't give a fuck for right now. It's walking season, baby. Open the bag a little bit. It gives it like this smell like popcorn, like what a disappointment. They're like so plain. I guess you can taste the sweetness at the end, but I guess the bag looks better than what it actually tastes. Recommend it? Not really. I really get the butter ones. Extra butter, cause those are good. I don't really think I'm gonna eat them. I just wanted to try them. I don't like the sweet taste. What a waste of my money.